everybody. I'm back for a quick little video. As you can see, I have two of my tiny little notebooks here. This is a Foxy Fix, you can see right there, and it is a passport or their #1 size, and this is the sienna leather. They had this a while ago. And you can see all the cute little things that I have in it. But it is a 4-strand elastic. So it can hold quite a bit of stuff in there. You can see. And you can also hear that little Seamus is down here by us. I'll make sure I take a photo of him and include it. And he might bump the tripod. He's got one of his little squeaky balls. So that's what I've transferred into. I was in my Rowena single strand passport, but I wanted to go into something a little bit more appropriate for this week because of Halloween. It looks like, I don't know, like cinnamon spice or something like that. It looks really cute. And this is my new Foxy Fix #0 in the Rowena. This notebook, the quality of this is amazing. The stitching is wonderful. As you can see, the pockets are, here, I'll get the green out of the way. I mean, it's so thin. And I've never had a Foxy with any of the reinforcement on the spine. And the way that they did that is just wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I think it's one of the best Foxys I've gotten. I mean, it's, you know, a #1 job on quality. It's gorgeous. And I've got a little bit of things in it. I have the Peaky Dory design month on 2 pages, and it has September, and the reason I included September is so people could see how they're using it to plan. And then I got some stickers out. So it's the month on 2 pages, and then this is something that is just up on our Etsy store. It is the 2 days per page, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday notes, and it is September, October, it's October, November, December. And the reason I included October is so you could, you know, play around with the October days to see how you would want to use this small of a size. This is on our Etsy store right now as well, and we will be getting next year's up there within a day or so. And then a folder I made, and then one of the Foxy notebooks. So the reason why we're here is when I placed an order for this, I went back to the shop, and so of course that means I ordered something, right? So I wanted to try one of the newer leathers that I thought would look wonderful in the micro size. So here we go. We got 2 more business cards, and these are what I actually give out to friends. And what I do is I write that code that I can get and give them. I don't know if anybody's ordered anything, but that's what I do. So some of their business cards, and you can see it's kind of like a marbleized paper. I'm not sure if it's showing up on the screen, but here is one of the new leather samples. This is gorgeous. It smells amazing, and look how beautiful that deep dark kind of Merlot burgundy cranberry, I don't know what to call it. And is this, I think it's the Boss Babe, I'm not sure, but I think that's one of the Boss Babe leathers. Beautiful color. So here's the notebook. And yep, that's everything. The rest is worms, which I like to reuse. So let's get the cute little box out of the way, and let's see what we have inside. So it's a tiny little bag, and I think this is the same bag that they used for this, but I also think it's the same bag they use for their passports and maybe their number 2s. I don't know. I have a number 2 that's been on order for a while that hopefully should be shipping soon. Okay, so what you see here is the Boss Babe leather, and it is the is it Manhattan? Madison? It's the black one, and it is a gorgeous piece of leather. So you can see right down there it says Foxy Fix. That's showing up because it's such a deep dark, and it's so soft. I want to smell it. Interesting. I like. But it's all black. I got the black leather, and of course it comes with the little pen loop, and I guess I will be getting a Rowena pen loop for my micro like this. But look how gorgeous that is. So since it is a micro and it is a single strand, I actually can fit, let's see, I should be able to fit all of that stuff that was in there in here. I'm gonna take, this is like the jump band that came with, it might be a little loose because of that. So I'll show you guys what I do when I'm at my desk, but I don't have anything handy. There we are. I usually take this, and you can see it is thick elastic cord, and it's actually not that thick. It's thinner than the elastic cord that Foxy uses, but here, this is the darkest one I have. I'll just cut a little piece, and what I'm going to do is just tie a knot. Of course, it doesn't want to do it when you're trying to do it on camera. I'll probably cut this out, or maybe I'll leave it in so you can see that I can't tie a knot. Let's try that again. Okay, that's not working. Let's cut a little bit bigger piece and then I'll waste and trim down. There. So we're gonna cut that out. So I take a piece of this elastic. Yeah, I think I need a little bit more. Take a piece of this elastic. Whoops. And there we go. So what we're going to do is I've got a folder, I've got a Foxy notebook, I've got a monthly calendar, and I've got the 2 days. So I always like to have my monthly calendar right at the very beginning. And here, we'll cut off that extra that we don't need. Okay, so we've got the month, and then we have the folder and the Foxy insert that comes with it. So we're going to, is that the, make sure, it's hard to tell with these, which is the front and the back. Slide that underneath the elastic, and then underneath that same single elastic, we're going to slide the 2 days on one page. And you can see right there that we have a cute, teeny tiny little notebook. And we can put one of my tiny little pens there. And there you go. Isn't that cute? So, right there. So what I will do is I will link below That's a really gorgeous leather. I will link below Foxy Fix, and so you can find out information about their number 1s, their number 0s, their Bosd leather, their Rowena. I don't think they have the Sienna anymore, and it was a gorgeous leather. I wish I had it in more than just a Passport and a, I do have it in a number 6, but it's a single strand number 6. I wish I could have gotten it in like a number 2 with pockets or something, but they don't have it anymore. So I will link below Foxy Fix, and I will link below Peaky Dory Designs, so you can take a look at the inserts that we offer for this adorable little size. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.